Hi campers and families, welcome back. This week I want to talk to you about drawing. So we've been drawing in class since September, and I hope that you've noticed that your little one's drawing skills have improved a little bit. At the beginning of the year, when they're drawing a person, it might look something like this. Right? There's a head, arms, and legs. Now, as the year go on, we worked on drawing the body parts, we worked on drawing different facial features, so I want you to spend some time this weekend with your little one and see where they're at in terms of drawing. At this point of the year, most kindergarten children should be able to draw something like this. There's a head, some sort of a hair, eyes, they might have a nose, they would have a smile. They should have some sort of a body. It could be long or short. Some girls can start drawing different parts of different pieces of clothing. So they might have pants or they might have skirts or dresses. They should be able to draw distinctable limbs. So arms and legs and feet. Lots of them will have hands and fingers. So see if your little ones are able to draw something like this. It could be something as simple as a head, some hair, some sort of a body, stickman legs and arms. That's okay too, as long as it is a distinct person. It looks like a little person, there's a body part. Right now, if your little one is still drawing at what we were talking about, with just arms and legs sticking out of the head and maybe two eyes, I would suggest that you spend some time every other day to do a little bit of guided drawing. So we're gonna do a little quick guided drawing together. Little ones, do you have a piece of paper and a pen ready? If not, go grab it. Pause the video and go grab it. All right, now that you have your paper and your pencil, let's do a picture together. We're gonna draw you in the park playing. You ready? First, we need to draw the land. It could be a sand, maybe put some dots for sand. Maybe put some grass if you are thinking of playing in the grass. Now we're going to draw you. Start with a head. Draw a circle. What's on your face? You're right, eyes. Don't forget your eyebrows. We've worked on that. Eyebrows. Maybe a nose. Be helpful, you need the nose to smell. There's the smile. You have ears. And what about your hair? What's your hair like? Is it long or short? Did you have it tied up or is it messy because of the wind? Maybe you have short hair like this little boy that I'm drawing. And then you want to have a body. There's your body. What are you wearing on the bottom? Do you have pants? Do you have shorts? Do you have dresses or skirts on? You decide. My little person will have shorts. Shorts are like two little rectangles. You do it. Great. Now let's draw our arms and legs. Our legs could come straight out at the bottom. Draw little feet. Then you can have arms. Maybe you have letters on your shirt. Maybe you have a picture on your shirt. Make sure you draw that. Now that you are all ready, think about what's around you. Is it a sunny day or is it a cloudy day? I'm choosing a sunny day. Maybe it's a sunny and partly cloudy day. You can draw some clouds. What's around you? Is it a park? Is it are there benches or is there a slide? In my picture, I think there is going to be a slide in the far background, so it's kind of small. There's the slide. There's where you climb onto it. There you go. Maybe you'll have a swing. Maybe you have a swing on this side. Think about what a swing looks like. There you go. And don't forget, every artist signed their names. Make sure you put your signature on there. Anywhere on the page. I'm going to put Mrs. Ng on there. Artists use their signature. And there you have it. So moms and dads and family, make sure you spend some time with your little one this weekend or over the summer, do a little bit of guided drawing activities together. It could be a picture of you at home eating supper, or it could be a picture of you guys playing outside, or it could be a recording of what you've done earlier on during the day. Spend some time doing that and let me know how it goes. Are you ready for Mrs. Ng's book pick this week? In May and June, kindergartens are going to learn about insects. This is a time where insects starts to grow and they are all around us. So I want to take this opportunity to suggest that you take some time when you're outside to look for insects around you. Maybe they're on the grass, maybe they're in the sand, maybe on the sidewalk, maybe they're flying around us. If you notice that, point them out, talk to your little ones about it. Get the conversation started. And the book that I want to show you today, it's more like a type of book. I would like you to go try and look for some nonfiction books about bugs. Now, when you're talking about nonfiction book, it doesn't necessarily have to be at your child's reading level. It could be just any regular nonfiction book about bugs. Yes, there are going to be lots of words in it, and yes, there are going to be words that they may not necessarily know how to read, but that's okay. This is a great springboard for you to start conversation with them. There are lots of really rich illustration. Make sure you use your pointer finger and look at every single picture on the page. Some of the questions that you can ask as you go on is, what do you notice? You can also ask, what do you think about that? You can also ask, what do you want to know? So I would suggest that if you take one of these books out of the library, maybe read 2 or 3 pages at a time so that it's not overwhelming the little ones or yourself, and they can spend really good amount of time looking carefully at the pictures. You can read them some of the words and paragraphs on the page, and you can have a good conversation about it. Take some time and sign out some nonfiction insect books from the public library or your bookstore. Let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.